Good morning, dear students. Welcome to today's class. Today we are going to learn finite difference method in partial differential equation. Let's see the details. Finite difference solution for two-dimensional Laplace equation. Two-dimensional Laplace equation is dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. This is two-dimensional Laplace equation. Or uxx plus uyy is equal to 0. Two-dimensional Laplace equation. Right. Suppose we want to find the numerical solution of Laplace equation uxx plus uyy is equal to 0 in a bounded square region. That is what we are going to do. Let the region be divided into a network of 16 small squares. The region is divided into 16 small squares. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4 rows. Right, 4 into 4, 16. So 16 small squares. Let the values of u, x, y on the boundary of the region be given by Ci, where I is equal to 1 to 16. That is the value of the boundary. That is C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8, C9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Right. So this is the values of the boundary region. And at the interior 9 mesh points are there. I have marked with this red circles. The values are ui, I is equal to 1 to 9 as shown in the figure. Hope this is clear. The points of intersection of the set of lines are called mesh points or the grid points. This intersection, which I have marked with this red circles. So that intersection points are known as the mesh points or the grid points. We get the initial values for ui according to the following scheme. First, we find the initial value u5 by using the standard 5-point formula SFPF. Standard 5-point formula. U5 is equal to 1 by 4 into C15 plus C7 plus C3 plus C11. You will be having the values for all these C's. Substitute them, divide by 4, you get the value for U5. Having known U5, now we find the values of U1, U3, U7 and U9 by using diagonal 5-point formula. By using diagonal 5-point formula, that is DFPF. U1 is equal to 1 by 4 into C1 plus C15 plus C3 plus U5. U3 is equal to 1 by 4 into C3 plus C5 plus C7 plus U5. U7 is equal to 1 by 4 into C15 plus C13 plus C11 plus U5. U9 is equal to 1 by 4 into C7 plus C9 plus C11 plus U5. Then, finding the remaining 4 values by the standard 5-point formula, U2, U4, U6, U8. These values also you can get. U2 is equal to 1 by 4 into C3 plus U1 plus U3 plus U5. U4 1 by 4 into C15 plus U1 plus U7 plus U5. U6 is equal to 1 by 4 into C7 plus U3 plus U9 plus U5. U8 is equal to 1 by 4 into C11 plus U7 plus U9 plus U5. So these are the formulas how to get the values for U1, U2 up to U9. Having known the initial values of U1, U2 up to U9, we use iteration process to improve their accuracy. Now you are having the values for U1 to U9 and you can use iteration process to improve the accuracy. We compute the values of U1, U2, U9 in that order by using the latest available values at the neighboring points and using SFPF. This is known as Leibman's iteration procedure. That is, while calculating, you'll be going on getting the values for U1 to U9, substitute the latest value into the following and solving it. That is how the iteration process is being done. Iteration process is terminated when the values of U at each point are equal to required accuracy in the successive iteration. That is, in one iteration you got particular values for U1 to U9. In the second iteration again you are getting some other value. Third iteration again you are getting some other value. When the values of U1 to U9 of two neighboring iterations become similar, you can stop the iteration over there. That is what iteration process is terminated when the values of U at each point are equal to the required accuracy in the successive iteration. So that value which you will get, that will be the final values. So this is all about the topic finite difference method. Hope this is clear for you. Thank you.